Whew. Just in time. We had just a wet avalanche down there. Oh, yeah, it's getting warm. Incredibly warm. So let's get the heck out of here. Hi, my name is Maximilian Gierl. I'm a professional outdoor photographer and the founder of this project called 21n21. And right now I'm here at the Furka train, where I wanna go through the tunnel over to the Valais. And tomorrow we plan to climb the Aletschhorn. But while the weather is not good on Friday, we will do this as a single push, which will mean probably a pretty early start. We haven't discussed it to the end, but I'm guessing something around 2 o'clock in the morning, so won't be too much sleep. But as far as we are pretty quick, I think we're pretty safe. There's just like one big problem. We shouldn't be too late because we need to go out back to Bellalp, and there's an east face, and so we should be pretty on time and pretty quick through this to not getting troubles with wet avalanches. So this makes me a little bit concerned, but I think conditions will be pretty good, and we got some options like staying on the hut if we can't get out. But hopefully everything went well, and now let's enjoy the scenery and I'll catch you up later. So, welcome to Blatten. On 1400 meters, actually snow has gone pretty bad and back. So this will be a nice morning walk or night walk probably. But I just kicked up the drone and this looks really safe. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to see how things work out tomorrow. But now, let's cook. Siehst du das? Eine Schau, ha? Team is complete. Me, Timo and Damian. This will be a lot of fun tomorrow. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, let's go. The Aletschhorn. Morning hike. Good. So, we are below the hut, people coming from there, and now go straight. Up there is the summit, you can't see it now, but Sweet. 500 meters. Yeah, Campons. Up we go. Summit push. Sweet, huh? Yes! Ah! Ah! Sau! Drecksau! Woo! Aletschhorn! Number 4 of 21. We're a little bit in a hurry, so let's go down, stay safe, and yeah, just enjoy the view for a short time. And beautiful day, but it will be a little bit thrilling down there. So let's go. See you later. There we go. Probably cool. Back at the skis. Sweet. And now let's ski. Also, good. Good. Now it's time for the crux. We're a little bit late, but yeah, we're praying and I think it will be fine. So let's get it on. Last 300 vertical meters, then we're done. Ooh. We are approaching the finish line. Unbelievable. Yeah, it's the final one. Good track. Let's go up there. Whew. Just in time. We had just a wet avalanche down there. Ah. Yeah, it's getting warm. Incredibly warm. So let's get the heck out of here. That's for sure. Aletschhorn in a day. There we go. So, this was a beautiful tour, but yeah, quite thrilling due to the east exposed slopes we have to pass on the way back. But yeah, we made it back safe actually. We had a little slide, which didn't matter too much, but yeah, just always keep in mind being early when doing spring ski touring. Oh yeah, how did you like the Aletschhorn tour?
Really nice.
Yeah, it's a really nice tour.
It's really long.
Long, but I think it's not too bad. I found the Strahlhorn was way longer than this one. Maybe it's a little bit more, yeah, different. I would compare it to Mont Blanc, kind of like when you do it from the valley, from the feeling. It's similar. Yeah, if you want to see some amazing pictures, check out Mr. Damien Gerdy's Instagram. I'll link that down below. And for sure, check my Instagram. And somewhere over there should be a Timo. I don't know actually where he is, but also check out his Instagram. I will link down this below as well. And yeah, I think that's it. We are ready for some beverages. To be honest, we are a little bit thirsty. And yeah, I think you should just hit that like button, you know, down there. And you should just subscribe to this channel. Just a tip, because there will be more episodes. There are still 17 summits missing of the Swiss 4000 meter peaks. So stay tuned. And if you subscribe, I will see you in the next video. And we wish you a wonderful day. Bye.
Originally, today, I had a hairdresser appointment and I had to cancel it because I'm here on the Aletschhorn and it was absolutely worth it!
Yeah.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad. So